Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping well. This week we're going to be making baked potatoes or jacket potatoes. Let me know in the comments what you call them. So we got some Mars Pipers here. We're going to prick them with a fork because we're going to do a partial cook in the microwave first. So it's important that you jab them all over. If you don't, they'll explode in the microwave. Now these are Mars Pipers, white potatoes that I'm using. Let me know where you're from and what potatoes you recommend to use, because obviously Mars Pipers are available in the UK and Ireland. I believe North America, some of the recommendations there are Yukon Golds. So let me know. I'll put a pinned comment down below and you can list there where you're from and what potatoes you recommend to use. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe if you're new here. And if you got any questions or comments, just stick them down below and I'll try and get back to you. So I've got a few nice sized potatoes here, just pricking them all over. They're on the microwave plate. I'm going to put those in the microwave now for about 15 minutes to partially cook them. While I do that, I'll switch the oven on so that's heating up, and when they come out of the microwave, I'll show them to you. Pop them in the oven, usually take about another hour in the oven, about 180 degrees, 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and that should be your baked potatoes complete. But I'll pop these in the microwave and we'll come back and have a look at them after. There we go, they've been in the microwave now for 15 minutes. They're ready to go into the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So it'd take about 45 minutes to an hour to get that nice crispy skin on them. If you wanted, you could leave them in the microwave for another 10 minutes and they'd be ready to eat. They just wouldn't have that nice crispy skin on them that I think baked jacket potatoes are all about. So I'll pop these in the oven now. When they're done, I'll bring them out and show them to you. There's the potatoes there now. They've been in the oven for 45 minutes. They've got a nice crispy skin on them. So I'll show you how I like to serve mine up. I'll put them to one side. Pour it out. Take one of the potatoes. Cut it in half. Oh, there's a nice crispy skin. Maybe give it a bit of a squeeze. What to do when it's that hot. Pop a generous amount of butter in there and then just push some cheese in there, grated cheese. You can stick that under the grill, brown the cheese off. Lovely, can't beat it. Endless list of toppings you can use on baked jacket potatoes. If you have some leftover bolognese sauce, put that on there. Tuna, fry up some bacon bits, anything you want on there. Baked beans, serve it up. Say if you're in a rush, you don't want the crispy skin, just do the potato in your microwave for 20-25 minutes depending on the power of your microwave and you have a quick, easy meal. So I'm going to go off and enjoy my baked potato now. Don't forget to put in the comments there what potatoes you use depending on where you're in the world. We'll have a list there and a pinned comment so people can see which is the best variety of potato to use depending on where they're living. So I'll pop another video here and here. The old subscribe button in the middle, and if you could give me a thumbs up it'd be great as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.